What's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning back into another episode of Unstable Coin, where we like to talk about any and everything money, crypto, and stocks. So, in today's episode, I've got a cool little walkthrough for you on how to fix your Atmotube Pro. Probably you've had a recent experience of your app updated itself, or you willingly updated the app. In either way, you're unable to connect your Atmotube Pro thereafter updating the app. Don't worry, because if you have anything like this going, or if you have GPS sensor issues with your Awair element, don't worry, because I got your back. We're going to get this fixed by the end of the video. So if that sounds cool, make sure you stick around and watch the whole thing. Thank you so much for being here. You rock. And as always, this is part of the video where I say I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. If you do anything in this video that is being shown, you're doing it of your own free will. So with that being said, please don't sue me. Thanks. Before I go on and show you how to do all of this, my number one advice that I've got for you guys is to go and follow Planetwatch on Twitter, and also to make sure that you're following along with their blog posts on YouTube and or their website, because even though I thought I had read a post describing how to log back onto your Atmotube Pro, and it kind of did partially, there was another actual blog posted on their website, I think like 3 or 4 days ago, on how to reconnect, and I'm just now seeing it, so that's totally my fault. So I'm just trying to help you out so you can learn from my mistakes and follow them and do these things so you're in the know and you don't miss any rewards or updates or anything that happens that is important to the Planetwatch project. So yeah, anyways, let's continue with the tutorial. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do here is you're going to go to the Planetwatch website. You don't have to do this. I'm just showing you really quickly how to get to their blog. I want to make sure everybody knows how to do this, even though it's just right here. But yeah, so if you look here on their blog, you have all of these posts, Awair element instructions right here. This is somehow I missed this. How I missed this post, or maybe even missed the segment of this post. I don't know. But right here, this is the part that you need to know, and I'm showing this specifically because it has to do with the tutorial. That's where I learned how to do it. So anyways, right here, it's showing that basically the ID sensor might be displayed differently for like Android users and iOS. I had not even had this issue, so I'm gonna kind of go away from this. If this seems familiar to you, this seems familiar to you, so it applies to you and me the same. So anyways, what we're going to do is basically you're just going to, super easy, quick, simple, go to your app, and once you log on to the app, you're going to hit reset. For safety precautions, to clear away all of the data off of your phone, to like just to keep from any kind of like little hiccups happening, I would uninstall and then reinstall the app. That's what I did. And then once you have the app installed, hit reset. It's going to ask if you want to confirm resetting your sensors. I know that's probably going to make your heart beat a little fast. You're going to make you nervous because, like, I don't know, I've had bad experiences doing that in the past whenever I first got my Atmotube Pro. But anyways, you're going to hit the reset button. After it's reset, you're going to go back into the access sensor button. Once you hit that access sensor button, it's going to simply just go straight to your pin, just like the app used to whenever everything was cool and dandy. So you're going to hit your pin, whatever your pin is, bada boom, you're in. It should be that simple. If it is not that simple and you're still having difficulties, open a ticket with the Planetwatch website. You can just go here, support, introduction, and then start your ticket like this. Yeah, after you start your ticket, they should get back with you. Right now, they're kind of like slammed with all of this stuff going on with the project growth, so they might, have some delays getting back to you, but they should get back to you on this. But yeah, that's how you fix the login issue for the Atmotube Pro. So now to help out my folks who are like having issues with the Awair element, the GPS location, the little red triangle, that is what's barring you from getting your rewards. Let me help you. Let me help you fix this. Okay, so what you're going to do here is you're going to update the location on their Explorer. You're going to hit the tab on the upper left hand corner and then go to Explorer. Anyone who's on the US website knows it's going to switch right over to .io. Don't be nervous of that if you're just now noticing that. You might have to, if you haven't already, like signed up for the .io website, you'll use the same exact email and login information that you used before. But yeah, anyway, so now that you're here, you're going to hit this top right hand corner. You're going to sign in. Okay, now after you've signed in, you're going to hit this top right hand corner bar again, and then you're going to go down to My Sensors. Just a really quick add-in, I guess, if you're having troubles with finding the KYC details. This is also where you find KYC under My Verification. That's not the point of this video. I can make one soon if you want, but anyways, going back to this, you'll see that my Awair element, the second device on this list, has already been fixed and it's fine. What I did is exactly what Planetwatch instructed everybody to do on, again, their blog post. I changed my location temporarily to this location, the Rue Gusta 5450. I will have the full address put on little text on the screen in a second. But yeah, you just input that address. You'll go down here to update location, hit that, and then there's going to be a update option that says confirm. You're going to click that, and then after some time, your Awair element will send back data packets to the server, and then once it's done that, it will update your location, and you should successfully no longer see the red triangle, and you should be earning your Planet token rewards. The thing about this, though, is that it is not overnight. It's got a little bit of buffering to do to still get onto the system, onto the servers. So yeah, give it some time. And also, this is a temporary fix. Planetwatch, they have, since you've bought licenses from them, they have your address. I would be willing to imagine that they will fix all of this on their end once they are aware of the problem and are able to fix it. So yeah, I hope by this point you are able to have both of your Atmotube Pro and your Awair element GPS location problems fixed. And so yeah, I guess that's it. I don't really have anything else left for you guys. If this happened to help you out, if you happen to find value in this along your Planetwatch journey, please do give me a sub, like, comment, share, all these things, because they do help with the YouTube algorithm, and I greatly appreciate it myself on the road to 100 subs. So with that being said, thank you so much for being here. Have a great night and be nice to somebody.